Hey guys, it's Abby, and today I have the worst adult subscription box in the world. Spicy subscription box. I have no idea why I got this box again this month. I sent them an email last month, before I even got last month's box, and I said, please cancel my subscription, and they said they did. But I still got this box and I was still charged. So, I'm pretty mad about it because this box is horrible with a capital H, and it's just a negative video for me to do. And why am I doing this? Because I need content for my second channel. So why not have a scammer video going up for you guys? All right, so this is Spicy subscription. It is $34.99. And this month they actually gave me a box instead of a envelope or a bag. So we do have a box. I didn't open the box, but it did come in a mailer box, in a mailer bag. And that was because this didn't fit in there. This is the turbo finger. There's 13,000 vibrations per minute. And it looks like you just put it all on your hands, like on your fingers. So I'm not really sure what this is all about. I have not opened it to check it out, and I probably won't. I mean, I might. It might be fun to, like, you know, joke around about. But it does say it has a travel bag included. So here we go. It looks like that massager hand that I got with those like metal balls on it where it fell apart, literally. It fell. I used it on my husband's back. It was like a big massaging hand, and it got caught in his back hair. And he doesn't have like a ton of back hair, but you know, like guys have some back hair. It was more like the lower back hair. It got stuck in that and it broke. So Dollar Tree adult section did not work for my husband. This looks like it's from the same place. So we have this. I mean, this might be fun to just, you know, try, like a gag gift in a way. And let's open the box and see what's in there this month. It just looks so empty. Does that not look empty? It is so light. This is so stupid. So stupid. Okay, these are 100% action, all color, adults only playing cards. I don't know if I can actually show this to you. I won't show you this one. I'll show you this side because I'm pretty sure that I would be showing you like for real porn if I opened this up or showed you the other side, because that does look like porn. It looks like 70s porn. Okay, so we got playing cards, but what do the playing cards say? Are they actually like, we can play war, we can play rummy, play solitaire, or is it nothing like that at all? Let's see. Oh my God, it is. Joker. It really is. Oh my God, this is full on. This is full on, like 70s porn. The 80s. Like, I'm gonna cover that up right there. There's two girls, but look at, is that 80s or 70s? It's called Erotic Club. I'm like shocked. Not shocked that like, it's the style of the cards. I would go through this whole thing. Oh my God. Look at his face. You guys, I'm just gonna go through this whole thing because I want to see it. It's like Ron Jeremy. Oh, I wish I could show this to you guys. Is that John Lennon? Oh no, it's not. Look at his face. He's like, yes. It's gotta be 80s. Did they really make this just now? Maybe it's like pictures from old porn shoots. I'm halfway done, guys. What in the heck? Oh my. Yeah, like, look at their outfits. Wait, am I showing you a ball sack? Let me make sure. No, that's a thigh. But look at their outfits. I'm like so intrigued by this. It's ridiculous. Is that his finger or is that his penis? The women are like very natural though. Like they actually look like women. That they look like us. You know what I mean? They don't look like they are porn stars. They look like women. Is that okay? This was like blast from the past. The stuff that you never thought you'd ever see. This is stuff you would find in your parents' bedroom and then you'd be like shocked and be like, I can never take that back. Yeah, that's what just was like a flashback. I couldn't stop looking, guys. I couldn't stop. I bet you this was like $5, not even. Okay. Wow, that was strange. Super strange. Okay, the next thing is this, and this is the Soft Rain 3 speeds and 4 patterns, smooth and waterproof. So we have this. It doesn't come with batteries, which it should. But it's just this. Okay. Then we have this. I have this. I think I've received this from this box before. It's Nympho's Desire Arousal Balm. It's in Toast Arousal Balm. It's in Toasted Coconut, and this just, you know, tingles. It's kind of like menthol. And the last but not least is this. And let's see what this is. Whoa, it fell. It fell. Okay, so this is like a little lingerie set. This would never fit me, ever. Like for real, this would not fit me. My hips are too wide for this. Like way too wide. And it doesn't seem like it's gonna stretch. Like it stretches, but it's not like stretchy. You know what I mean? But it's cute. Like I would wear it if I could fit in it, but I wouldn't be able to fit in this G-string. The bra is cute though. And I'm in the itty bitty titty community, itty bitty titty, what was I gonna say? Itty bitty titty club. I'm in that club. So I would definitely be able to wear these. I mean, mine aren't super small. They would fall out of this, but they're not big. By all means, they're not big. So it goes around your neck. And, oh, it's ruined. It's already ripped. Wow, okay. Look at the stitching. It's already ripped. That stinks, because it is kind of cute. I don't know why I'm putting it on, but this is really cute. It's adorable. And if it wasn't like such bad material and it wasn't falling apart, I would not be mad at this. And it says one size fits all. Guys, no, there's no possible way that this is one size fits all. That makes me kind of mad. Actually, it makes me really mad, because if they think this size right here is going to fit all, that's ridiculous. This would fit my one thigh. It would fit my one thigh, so that's ridiculous. All right, guys, so that is the Spicy subscription box for November 2020. I'd hope I don't ever get this box again, and if they charge me again, I'm gonna start disputing it with my bank. What I should do is dispute it with my bank this month and be like, I didn't order this, I asked them to cancel it, I didn't want my money back. I need to do that because it's ridiculous. I will never use any of that stuff. I mean, maybe I will. The cards this month were pretty cool. Like, I have to say, like, I was interested in them. They're shockingly shocking. They are X-rated, but they're like 80s and 70s pictures. It's actually fascinating. I wish I could show you guys what they look like, because you guys would think the same exact thing. But all right, guys, that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will not be linking this box in my description box down below, because you don't need it. There's so many other ones, and there is another one that I love, which is the Seductive Pleasures box. It's such a great box. If you want an adult box, definitely go check out my Seductive Pleasure unboxings. It's totally worth it. It's $34.99 and it is so good. So, all right, that is it for today. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.